before. Boneless as fuck. Hey y'all, it's your girl Luna and welcome back to my world. In today's video, we're doing yet another maintenance vlog, but this time around, it's for something real special. It's my birthday. My birthday is coming up in the next 2 days on Friday, March 7th, and I'm so excited because, as you can see, your girl look crazy. The hair not done, the lashes falling out. Look at these lashes. Look at them things. Boneless ass lashes, but it's okay because we're getting it together these next few days. Currently I'm at my wax studio, so I'm going to get my wax today. Tomorrow I'm getting my hair and my lashes done, and then on my actual birthday day I'm gonna get my nails and my toes done, and then we're done for this maintenance vlog. Okay, we're just gonna get straight into it, and I'll catch y'all once I'm back on this camera. All right, bye.
Need your help, sir. I'm sorry. No, no, no. That's just one more time. It's one for Jack. It's done. Could you leave me alone?
She gonna tweak out. I'm done. I'm going home. I'm actually about to go wash my hair once I get home, and then that's it for the day. I'm over it. I'm tired, and I'm ready to go. So next time y'all probably see me is like once I'm either blow drying my hair or tomorrow morning. I'm not sure yet, but all I know is that y'all will see me either tonight or tomorrow. Either way, I'll see y'all soon.
The next morning.
Hey y'all, so I'm back on this camera. And as you can see, I'm getting my hair done. And as y'all know, if y'all stay up with my maintenance vlogs, y'all know that I go to the same exact people all the time for the most part. I have switched up my lash tech, but everything else has been the same. My waxer, my braider. So I'm currently waiting to get my hair braided. It's at a different location this time around. So in the past, whenever I would like put the location, it would be like Flatbush area, but now we're in Canarsie, so we love a good upgrade, you feel me? Look at the vibes. Look at the vibes. It's giving class. It's giving upgrade. It's giving I work hard for my money. Okay, and don't mind my dry lips. I forgot my lip gloss, my lip balm. All my lip products, I forgot it at home, but nonetheless, we about to get into this, so catch y'all in the flip. charge, so my battery about to die, but my hair is done. I look cute, and here I am. This is the carding. I'm not saying lie to y'all. Oh, girl, it's bright outside. Hold on, y'all. I'm not gonna say lie to y'all. My braider, no matter what the style is, she gets the job done. The parts are always clean, and you know the vibes. But now I'm actually heading to Chipotle, get something to eat, because I have an appointment at 5 o'clock. It's only like 3:30. I have mad time, and I'm only like 30 minutes away from my actual appointment, so I'm just gonna get some food and then wait it out, because I'm not far from there. So I'll probably catch y'all either at Chipotle or my last check, but it's probably my last check, to be honest, because I'm not trying to keep recording. My battery about to die anyway, so bye. So I'm actually waiting in the lobby for my lash tech. I'm out here extremely early per usual, but we're about to get into this lash appointment. So this is the before. My battery had died, but got my other one for backup. But like I said, the before, boneless as fuck.
Checkers on my mind. We's in the air with my cash. Do this all the time. Right? Coming. Know where you can run, baby. I know where you can run, baby. You know you can run, baby. With some kind of run, baby. Come and get some, baby. I'ma give you some, baby. Feeling like Richard. Ain't shit change. Fucking clear, man. Getting with the clear, man. Song goes. Listen, feel like I'm geeking, I'm freaking. Paper just ain't for sure, baby. Gotta let these haters know, baby. Stay sweet for me. Stay sweet, stay sweet, stay sweet. Girl, stay sweet, stay sweet, stay. Oh, stay.
The next morning.
Did you miss me? Okay. As y'all, so I'm doing my nails and look at them. So cute. I don't know what motivated me to do blue and orange. None of those colors are a fan favorite. I don't like the color blue really, and I don't like the color orange. I like pastel colors, you know, colors that look around me with spring and Easter. But yeah, the nails are done and we're heading to my nail salon that I usually go to. Like I said, it's the same exact places all the time, and I'm hoping my girl Becky is there because honestly speaking, every time somebody other than Becky does my nails, it gets fucked up. So I'm actually, fingers crossed she's gonna be there, because I'm getting orange, the same orange on my nails. I'm gonna get it on my toes to match it. And that's about it. After this, I'm going home to finish packing my bag, and then I'm going to my hotel, and that'll be it about for the maintenance vlog. I'll probably close this vlog. I'll probably close out this vlog once I'm done at the nail salon, because I do want to get this edited and posted this weekend, which is actually in 2 days. I don't know how it's gonna work, but I'm hoping for the best. I completed all of the parts where I got my wax and my hair done. Now I have to edit the lashes, the nails, and the toes, and then I'll be done. I'm praying I'll get it done today, but my camera is dying right now, so I'll catch y'all once I'm at the nail salon. Bye. And just like that, we are done with this maintenance vlog. The sun is out, it's not as cold anymore, so I'm actually glad that I'm ending this vlog with some pretty decent weather, because earlier this morning I would have recorded something, but it was too windy and I didn't want to have my hand in my pocket, so that was that. So I guess this is the, ooh, I want y'all to see me for who I am and not for what the fuck is going on with this brightness. The sun is bright enough. But anyways, just want to say thank you guys for watching this video. This is special because it's my birthday. Well, currently it is my birthday. By the time it's dropped, it'll probably be the Monday after my birthday, so probably the 10th. But thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, because I be seeing y'all be watching my video, because damn near like 70% of y'all are not even subscribed to me and y'all watching my videos. So come on, stop being stingy, support your girl, and subscribe and like the video. Bye.